Y'all are never gonna make it to the shop. It's 8:40. I mean, are we going or are we not going? By the time y'all are gonna go,
that's all I gotta do. That's all I gotta do.
All I gotta do is.
Ready? Ooh. Bro, she's terrified. Yeah, but she's sick. Okay, so you're saying we're just gonna slide this way, get off the exhaust?
Yeah, we're just gonna pop it loose. It should drop down a little bit. And then we can just go to the side and then pull it out. Like, drop the bottom down. And she'll pop right out.
Hell yeah. Oh my god. You got it? I don't got it. I'm holding it with my thumb. I got it. Oh yeah, you just barehanded that motherfucker.
So
what a badass.
oh, a fire?
Yeah. What are we doing?
We're making fucking chlorine gas.
Tired of wearing the camera. So
Good far, we fucked up the diff.
rear brake pads, the center diff bushing, these two diff bushings are gonna go in. We now have a welded diff, and we're gonna throw it in the G. What time do you think it is?
1:30.
1:30
Yeah.
a.m. Baller. Diff pushing in. Well, I didn't do it. Arliss did it. Because he's a gangster. The RTV master. It looks so goofy, bro.
Get the fuck out of the goddamn gun. There's shit everywhere. Get the fucker out of there, dude. This is going from the diff.
Dude, he fucking launched. Holy shit, that's the bottom angle. We're the tops. A little weird. Right on the RTV.
Over on the fucking track, dude.
Ready?
What a dip.
What a diff. Let's go. Good morning. It is drift day, and we have the truck loaded down with water, tons of wheels. We've got our chairs, Red Bull, some oil, tools. Yeah, we're about to head out. I gotta put gas in the G, so it is already loaded on the trailer down here, and I gotta go hook it up. So I'm gonna go do that. So this time, my beautiful fiance will be able to come. So, got her helmet right here. So we got the trans mount in, the diff bushings in, and we welded the diff. Got the diff back in, new fluid in the diff. might be having some fuel pump issues with the G. Started that time. I thought that was gonna be a good lap, but I definitely just destroyed a tire. But I'm getting it. I started braking. That's important, I guess. I wasn't braking before, so I was spinning out. So now I'm not spinning out. Hell yeah. I'll see you around. Left an awful taste in my mouth. I tried to call you, and answer back is all I need. Sometimes I wish I could join you, but I'm too scared to leave. I wish you would react to when I say that Minnesota is not that far away. Someone once told me you are your own machine, and I will try not to self-destruct myself with reoccurring dreams. Take some steps back, get distracted by evergreens and river streams, evergreens and river streams. I wish you would react to when I say that Minnesota is not that far away. Dude, I was ripping. A little too hard. Ooh. It's not supposed to do that.
No, it's not.
That's coolant.
Busted.
I sent her a little too hard.
It is hot as hell.
It's hot. Dude, they're so hot. Oh my god, I can't get
Babe, oh my,
Dude, they're like,
use
they're
your
like about to
shirt.
melt, dude.
I am